Hey guys, here's a quick video on how to export just a simple palette from one estimate to another. So as you can see in this estimate, I have several Takeoff palettes that's already created. I'm trying to import it into this estimate that doesn't have any. So the way to get the palette, you have to go to Estimate, go to Home, Export, Spreadsheet, save your spreadsheet. So I already have it exported here. So this is what I just exported. So now that I have that exported, I'm just going to go to my other estimate and go to Home, Import, Spreadsheet, Next, find my spreadsheet, in my downloads folder, and treat first row as a column header. Next. So on the next screen, you don't need anything other than your palettes. So make sure you set these to no. Don't need that. Don't need that. All I need is my Takeoff palette item. Don't need that. Don't need that. Don't need that. This is the QTO models are actually the Takeoff that's in the estimate, as well as the PDF that are attached to that prior estimate. So if I uncheck that, then I'll get no Takeoff. All I'm getting is just my Takeoff palette. Next, and import. And that will bring in all the Takeoff from the prior estimate into here through the import option. Should be done here shortly. Click finish. And there you have it. There go all the Takeoff that were in the prior estimate here. And now it's in this estimate with no Takeoff sheets. So if I look here, I just have the one that I just loaded in here. And then if I look at the prior one, I have several different sheets that I did not include in the import. All right, thank you very much.